Kakakausap lang sa kanya ni Sir daw. Ginawa agad siya.
You're the one who never let me sleep. Through my mind and through my soul, you touch my lips. You're the one that I can't wait to see. But if you're here by my side, I'm in ecstasy. And I am all alone without you. Days too dark without the glimpse of you. Now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom in your morning shine that I can see. Your love is like a sun, the light in my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like a river that flows down to my veins. I feel the chill inside. Every time I hear our music play, reminds me of the things we've been through. In my mind I can't believe it's true, but in my heart the reality is you. I am all alone without you. Days too dark without the glimpse of you. Now that you came into my life,
Sabi nga, ika nga ni,
complete.
ika nga ni ate mo, di ba? Pag nandito siya, lagi daw sa galog.
Eh pagka laging tulog eh. Kay, kakain na! Ay, pitin mo naman yan! Ah, baby, kain niya.
Sabi ni Sir, ako nga CS eh. Isang buwan akong hindi naligo eh.
CS ba siya?
Oo. Ikaw pa, sabi niya ganun. Ikaw pa, normal killing. Sabi niya, magtawag ka ng hilot, pahilot ka uli.
Tawag ng hilot?
Kung may mga hilot.
Eh, ba't si ano nun hindi naman hinilot? Di naman kainan yun. Wala lang.
Sabi niya, huwag mo na kanin yung mga modern ways.
Mga old ways na lang, no?
Hindi kaya mahal, Mi, kasi tinatensyon na ako ni Raspa.